Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen here, and what I have here is an electric lunchbox. This looked really cool. I saw so many different ads for it and stuff, so I figured, okay, I'm gonna give this thing a try. This is what it looks like here. So let's see what it looks like here. I'll unbox it for you, and we'll see how it looks. So we open it up, kind of aim it down a little bit there. So this is what comes in the box here. This is it here, and the instructions right there. So you can see that box is empty. And let's check it out. So here we go. Got a decent clip on it. Got clips on the sides too. And then, oh, it's got this little section up top. I guess, oh, look at that. It even comes with a little, a fork and a spoon. No knife. I guess no cutting stuff in this lunchbox. So there's that. And then we open it up. And we have, inside here, we have, this is gonna be, I guess, the bag for it. This is the wire, so it looks like it comes, oops, it's completely off. Okay. And then, so the wires it comes with are, so it comes with a one that goes into your car, so you can do it that way, or you can just plug it into the house to do that. So let's open up this. And here, I'll show you guys what it looks like here. This is what the apparatus looks like. I guess this is going to be the heating element down here, and this is the plugs, where plugs will go in there. So kind of cool. It's got like a little waterproof cover for it, and then it's got this is where you put your lunch in there so you can keep it warm. I guess if you put it in there, it's going to keep it sealed because it's got this rubber seal on it. But if you do this, I guess it's just going to get upside down and get all over this top section. So probably don't want to do that too much. And then it's got this in here too. Hopefully this can heat up because it fits in there perfectly like that. So pretty cool. And let's check out the bag here. If I can open it. Very scrunchy bag. There we go. And so this is what it looks like. So it's a nice insulated bag. So you would put the lunchbox. So once it's heated, it looks like you can't, I guess you could probably wire it and the wire will come out and over, but there's no holes in the side for the wires. So just so you know, but you would put your food, your lunchbox in there, probably with the lid already on it, and then it would zip up and you'll have your handles that way. So that's pretty cool. That's nice that it has that ability to do that. And then you can plug it in, so it's good, especially like if you're bringing it to work or something like that, you could actually just plug it in there and have it going while you're at work. So let's just check out the instructions and see if there's anything here that I might have missed. Let's see if there's any settings for it. Might just plug it in and it heats. Let's see. So over here, we got a little steam vent. So this is where the steam comes out if it gets too hot. So cool, so if you have something liquidy, it'll do that. And you can basically heat food and heat soup. So it says already cooked soup, it kind of wants in there. But yeah, it's like heating food takes about 25 minutes. So not too bad. So if you want to heat something up, if you have lunch and you have it cold from the fridge, you keep it in the fridge, then you bring it to your desk about 30 minutes before you're gonna eat, and you plug it in and it'll be nice and warm by the time you want to eat, or whatever it is, wherever it is you're going. So I like this. This is a nice little thing. Got the little buttons on the front here. So power button. There you can kind of see the power and all that. It's really cool. So I like it. Thumbs up for me. I'll put some notes in the comments if for some reason anything happens differently, but I expect it to just heat up and work good like a crock potty kind of thing would. So seems good to me. Thumbs up. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Links in the description for you so you guys can pick this up for yourselves too. Sweet. I love it.